How to create a QR code in Canva. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to create a QR code in Canva. First, go to your web browser and search for Canva. Now, open the Canva website and log in to your account. Here, click the Create a Design button on the top left side. Next, search for the design such as logo and select the required option. Then, click on Apps from the left bar and search QR code. Select the QR code from the given options. After that, click Open and it requires the URL. Now, go to the website you want to copy its URL. By adding the URL, click Generate Code. It will create a QR code for that website and adjust it on your page. Once you're done, download it on your device. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.